Okay, so here we are. We're standing at Trepisit Road, which is back here. That's Trepisit, and this is Pattaya. So when you see this big sign right here, you just gotta walk to the right. When you walk to the right, we're gonna walk up here to the bus that will take you to Suvarnabhumi for 120 baht, about $4. So it's near this supermarket, the Food Mart supermarket right here. So I'm gonna take a look back. There's a big sign. This right here is Pattaya. That's Trepisit. And Jomtien is that way, and Pattaya is this way. So come over here. Again, here's this food mart. Little dogs. Cute little dogs. Little poodles. Oh, look at that. Got some fish over here. Alright, delicious. Alright, so when you see this food mart, it's right in the parking lot. And we're ready to do some welding. Okay, so these are the buses right here that take you straight to Suvarnabhumi. So if you look, it's directly across the street from Pan Pan Restaurant. There we go. Mile crop, couple crop. So these buses are nice, fairly new, air conditioned. When you come over here, if you come over here early, there's plenty of food. Okay, you want an ATM machine, you got an ATM right here. So right here, these buses take you straight to Suvarnabhumi, about $4. There you go. You got a little convenience store right here. And then this place will wrap your bags for 140 baht. A little convenience store. And you've even got a massage spot right there. So it's pretty cool. If you get here early, you've got a food market. You've got food. You got the convenience store, and you got a massage. But this thing runs from... It doesn't run in the middle of the night. Just a second and I'll check the schedule. This is the inside of the place. You've got a scale right there if you want to weigh your luggage. Okay, so this lady, Kap Kun Krab, thank you very much. Okay, very nice. So I had a ticket for 2 o'clock, but I got here early. So I just went over here and she kindly changed it to noon, so I don't have to wait. So I bought the ticket yesterday. So it looks like the last bus is at 9 p.m. and the first bus is at 7 p.m. Right. So we got 20 minutes until, and they got a restroom back there, they got water. Alright, so we're good to go. We're set up for the 12 o'clock bus. I mean, if you have a lot of money and you don't care, then by all means, you know, spend 1,000 to 1,500 baht on a taxi. But this bus right here is new. It's got aircon. It's pretty safe. Never had an issue. And it's $4. I mean, how can you beat $4? Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We got 20 minutes. So we're gonna come over here and get a beer. So we got this little convenience store right here. Sawasdee krap. Okay, so what are we gonna drink? Well, all right, so we're about to leave Thailand, so we have to drink a Sing Ha. 45 baht. Time video, YouTube. Sawasdee krap. Okay, so this beautiful lady right here gonna take care of our Sing Ha. เท่าไหร่ครับ 45 baht.
You want to stick back?
Oh, ไม่เอาครับ Okay, so this lady here, very friendly. You got a little spot to sit right here if you so desire. And if I had time, I probably would go visit the massage ladies right here. See, so friendly, so sweet. These beautiful girls. Go talk to them for a second. Sawasdee krap. สบายดีไหมครับ
เป็นนักข่าวเหรอ
โอ้
ได้จังเลยกินข้าวอยู่
โอ้ทำวิดีโอ YouTube ครับ
เหรอ
Yeah
ไปทำสาวๆดีกว่า
You
กิ
be
นข้าวอยู่
the superstar
อายเขาอาย
เท่าไหรครับ
นวดอะไรคะ
หนึ่งชั่วโมง
เท้า200ไทย250
200 Okay
300
Alright, so this little massage parlor, Rose Apple Massage, okay, is right next to the bus station. Okay, Alright, make one note, okay, if you go in this food market right here, they make you check your bag at the door. Now, there's no problem with security here in Thailand. I mean, believe it or not, I've never had anything stolen out of my bag when I had to leave it at a supermarket like that. But if you're security conscious, whatever, just be aware when you go to the food market, you can't take your backpack into the store. You gotta leave it with the security guy at the front. But I say don't worry about it. It's okay. All right. Now make one note about the restroom inside the bus station. It's for taking a piss only. There's only urinals in there for the men's restroom. So, this my recommendation is this. If you have a lot of money, call a taxi. If you're a backpacker and you don't have a lot of money, you take this bus for $4. I promise you you'll be okay. Shit. I can't find my glasses. Oh, that's much better. Alright, so I'm drinking a quick Sing Ha right here before we roll. Alright, looks like we're already boarding. Oh no. So I gotta go to the restroom before we get on the bus. Because not all buses have a restroom on. Make sure nobody's in here. Okay, yeah, so it's the restroom here. No poo. Okay, so time to board the bus. Alright, now when you get on this bus right here, there is no assigned seating. But if you get on the bus from Bangkok to here, there is assigned seating. So when you check your luggage, They actually give you like a little claim tag right there and staple it to your ticket. So, all right, here we go.
ชื่อโฮเทลชาติ就是สุวรรณภูมิ
สวัสดีครับ
สุวรรณภูมิเอเชียถ้ามัน没停的别的地方没停的就是它在สุวรรณภูมิ上啊
I'm gonna go to the back. Okay, so maybe, all right, so maybe this bus does have a restaurant. You can see you got plenty of storage space up there. Plenty of leg room down here. And also these buses have seat belts, which they actually encourage you to use. See right here. And a nice little couple. Look, $4 out of the bus. Got plenty of room. Okay, so we're here. This bus takes you direct to the departures level. Takes almost right at 2 hours. Give or take a few minutes for traffic, but 2 hours is average time. Luggage. Show them your little luggage tag. The driver will give you your bags. bus. And then you're here on the departures level.